Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to top up Lycamobile online in UK. For that you simply need to open your web browser and then you need to type this domain, that is lycamobile.co.uk. Now once you do this you will be on the official website of Lycamobile. Now over here you need to click on this quick top up option in the top. Then after waiting for some time, you will be on this page where you need to first enter your Leica mobile number which you want to recharge. Then you need to select the top up plans. So here you can select any of the plans that you are willing to. Then you need to just add your payment details. So you can add debit card, credit card, or any other alternate payment method. Then it will show you your order summary and you need to just simply click on confirm and pay and then conclude your payment. This way you will be able to quick recharge your Leica mobile online in the UK. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.